factor tree of 452. So 452, it can be written as 2 times 226. 2 times 226 means 452. 226, it can be written as 2 times 113. 2 times 113 means 226. So now we select the prime numbers among these numbers. So prime numbers here is 2, 2 and 113. So we can write 452 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times this 2 times this 113. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.